My name is Harriet Beecher Stowe. You may know my book, but there is more to my life. Welcome to my world. I was born in Litchfield, Connecticut in 1811, a daughter of the renowned minister Lyman Beecher. As one of 11 children, our home was a lively, intellectual, and often boisterous world. My education at the Hartford Female Seminary was advanced for my era. We studied Latin, philosophy, and mathematics, and I later taught there, shaping young minds as I hoped to shape the world. In Cincinnati, across the river from the slave state of Kentucky, I married Professor Calvin Stowe. We raised 7 children, and our home became a station on the Underground Railroad. In Cincinnati, I confronted the harsh realities of slavery. I witnessed the plight of runaway slaves, and our home became a station on the Underground Railroad, sheltering those escaping to freedom. In 1849, my infant son died from cholera. In that grief, I felt a piercing empathy for slave mothers whose children were torn away, forging my resolve to write. The 1850 Fugitive Slave Act compelled my sister-in-law to write, "Hattie, use your pen to make this nation feel what an accursed thing slavery is." Her words ignited a blaze. I began writing Uncle Tom's Cabin in 1851. Published as a book in 1852, it sold 300,000 copies in its first year, sparking outrage and acclaim. I wanted to show slavery's human suffering. The book sparked immense empathy in the North and furious condemnation from the South. President Lincoln reportedly called me the little woman who wrote the book that started this great war. Yet despite its impact, my financial share was modest due to publishing agreements. Though Uncle Tom's Cabin defined my public life, it was just one part of my story. I continued to write and advocate, believing one voice can indeed move mountains. My story proves one truth: a single voice honestly told can move mountains. Thank you for listening to mine.